not in front of me. Fucking. Holy shit.
I told you to take the last exit, but you didn't, did you?
Whoa.
Now the best course of action is to stay in this lane.
Best course of action? Wow, that's a lot of words. That's very advanced.
I know all the words in the Oxford English Dictionary and I speak 44 languages. Cool.
What?
Nothing.
No, what was that? You made a noise.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. It sounded like uh-oh.
It's nothing.
Fuck, there's an accident? What do I do?
There's nothing you can do, really.
I should get off the freeway, okay? Yeah.
The accident is before the exit.
Fuck!
You need to be still. Right now. In the traffic. Just S-H-H-H-H-H-H-H.
What?
S-S-S-S-S-H-H-H-H-H-H. Shush.
No.
S-S-S-S-H-H-H-H-H-H. Take 3 deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Good. Now imagine you are walking down a garden path. Have you ever stopped to look at all the leaves on a tree? Revel in stillness.